Do you ever find yourself stressed and try to distract yourself by scrolling on social media or watching Netflix? Although it may seem like these activities might be suppressing your stress and anxiety, it's actually not. As soon as that video ends, things are going to start coming back. So here are my 2 favorite ways to reduce my stress and anxiety. First one is called cyclic sighing. Andrew Huberman has a whole video on this, but essentially it's taking a deep breath through your nose, a second smaller breath through your nose, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. That second breath in actually expands your lungs more so you can get more oxygen and get rid of more carbon dioxide. During that long exhale, your brain actually tells your body to slow things down. The second thing I like to do is work out. If I'm already stressed and if I'm already anxious, I might as well get my mind off of this negative thoughts. And the great feeling you get after an intense workout, you just can't say no to that. Comment down below what your favorite ways to reduce stress is, and don't forget to stay healthy and happy.